So if you've been experiencing hair shed, thinning, and just dryness, like it's not behaving itself, then this video is definitely for you because menopause is no joke. Okay? We're going to talk about it. Shut up my microphone. Anyway, I'll see you on the other end of the intro.
Taking me high, so high, high.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'm going to be talking you through the very fruit that changed the game on how the quality of my hair was whilst going through the hormone changes for menopause. So before we get to the juicy parts, okay, I'm going to give away a product. So you gotta hang on, okay? Okay, so for those of you that don't know, I'm 53 years old. I've been through perimenopause, and recently I've discovered that I'm in my menopausal state, which comes with a whole load of things, a whole lot. Your hair can go through thinning, dryness, excessive shedding, and loss of shine, and your hair can look really dull. Trust me, these are all things that happen to me. So during this time of menopausal, I needed to get my hormone levels tamed because we are not doing that, okay? I realized that natural is the way. So what I decided to do is topically and ingest. So here's what I did. So I needed to find a natural ingredient that could offer several targeted benefits. So all I did was I used avocado. Now, just as a side note, ingesting or eating avocados is fantastic for your hormone levels, balancing them out whilst going through menopause. Here's the science bit. For hormone balances, avocados contain these phytoestrogens that help balance out your hormones. So it's a good thing, hey? You see, avocados are dense in nutrients and vitamins, with vitamins E and B. I'm going to tell you what they are, but I'm going to have to read it. Okay, hold on. So as we know, vitamin E is an antioxidant and it helps protect the hair from an oxidative stress, okay? And vitamin E also helps scalp circulation, enhances the hair growth. Now, the B vitamins in avocado contains B5 and B6, which are essential for healthy hair growth. And, which is the best part, it helps overcoming thinning hair. Yeah, and also avocados have potassium in them, which helps maintain the moisture balance in the hair. Have you ever just touched an avocado and seen how creamy it is? It's so rich. Avocados are also very fat. They've got very, very healthy fats in them. This is the fats that we need in our hair. They are rich in monosaccharate fats. What does that mean? I don't know. I'm just going to look at the notes, okay? This helps moisturize and nourish the hair. These healthy fats can improve the overall texture. The overall texture is what I need because my hair was really dry and the curls almost had a crunch to them. The magnesium in avocados are fantastic for maintaining bone density. You didn't know that, did you? Monosaccharate fats is what is going to make your hair feel very soft and also very manageable. Did you know there's also protein in avocados? I didn't know that. I know it's now, okay? But I'm going to tell you a little bit more about it. Now, avocados don't have a high percentage of protein, but they do have some protein in it. And you must know already that hair needs protein. Our hair does. It needs it. Now listen, there are so many benefits for your hair whilst going through menopause and all the hormonal changes. There's about 5 I've listed, but there's so many. It's moisture retention, scalp health, natural shine and softness, strengthening the hair, and of course, hormone balance. I don't know, did I do 5? Oh dear. Okay, so I'm going to talk through a few of those, okay, not all of them. The one that I really love is scalp health. We all know that a healthy scalp is crucial for healthy hair growth. Now, if you've got an irritated scalp, the oil from the avocado can help reduce the irritation. It will reduce inflammation and even combat conditions like dandruff, which can sometimes be more pronounced when you get into menopausal state. We don't want that, eh? Can you imagine the snowflakes? Boy, I wouldn't be able to wear black, that's for sure. That would be so embarrassing. Benefit number 4 about strengthening hair is another one that I really wanted to highlight. So the nourishing components of avocado are there to strengthen your hair strands, helping them to be less prone to breakage. So what did I do that changed the game? I like to keep it very simple. So okay, so if we look at my hair right now, I have no spray on my hair. Look at the shine on my hair. It's got the bounce. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. My hair still is very youthful, very shiny. Oh my word. I'm very shiny. Look at the sweat. Oh, the menopause. Okay, so let's get back to it. What did I end up doing that made this whole thing with my hair shedding and breaking and thinning and drying out? What was the game changer? I decided that I was going to make a regular mask and then ingest the food as well. Because I kind of realized when I started to eat avocado on a regular, the next day my skin would be like glow. It would just be glowing. Like I could see the natural oils coming out from the avocado on my skin. And the days where I wasn't eating avocado, I could actually see the dryness in the areas where I'm actually having problems with dry skin because of the menopause and the hormones. Not only that, I'd noticed that even from ingesting it, I could feel my hair at the root. Have you ever felt the sebum? This is nice, rich, self-made moisture in my hair called sebum. Not an excessive amount, but a nice, rich amount of sebum. The avocado pear is delicious and nutritious. So I thought, no, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to test it out. So I did for 7 days, and I'd noticed at the end of the 7 days, my hair was starting to feel different from the root down. I started to see my hair a bit more shinier, and I thought, we are going to take it up a notch one more time. Then I thought to myself, I will make a mask, a straight up avocado mask. Nothing more, nothing less in it, so that we can actually see whether this mask, an avocado mask, is doing the job. To be fair, the avocado is so rich and moisturizing, it's hydrating. It doesn't need anything else. It doesn't need any brother or sister to help with the job. And then for the mask, all I would do is I'd apply it on my hair after washing my hair, leave it on there for about, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes. It doesn't need to be any longer. I don't want to get hydro fatigue. By the way, if you don't know what hydro fatigue is, I will leave a card up here or here so you can learn a little bit more about what hydro fatigue is, because it's a real thing that can break your hair. Too much moisture. We don't want that. So I would leave that on my hair for about 15, 20 minutes and rinse it out. And sister, Charlie, I'm telling you, my hair, like the shine. Look at the shine. And it's just so shiny. Like, hello. Yes, I know this does actually give you shine already. However, every time with my hair's curly or if it's straight, the shine is there. Now, I could have known this anyway, because one of my products, which is the silk conditioner, this product, okay, has avocado oil in it, and it's got a good proportion of avocado oil. And without that, the product isn't as rich as it should be. I'm always using this silk conditioner because it is so luxurious. If you have used it before, let me know in the comments if you bought it. I want to know. Let me put a disclaimer, please. I'm not a nutritionist or a practitioner of any kind of certification. I'm just realizing what's really great for me, and I want to share it with you because it has helped me along the way. This has definitely made a difference in the health of my hair. Okay, so you've got to try it for yourself. Let me know down in the comments if you've ever tried an avocado, just a straight up avocado. So if you've hung on this far, you'll be able to hear what I'm going to give away. I'm going to give away one of these products, which is the silk conditioner. It has the avocado in it, and it is, honestly, it's called silk for a reason, silk conditioner, because your hair feels so silky smooth. It's so good. All right, so what you got to do to enter, I'll leave the details down in the description box, and one person will get the chance to try out the silk conditioner because it's beautiful. I will leave it up for a week, and after a week I will then pick somebody. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. So thanks a lot for watching the video, and I look forward to seeing you in my next one. Take care guys, lots of love, and remember, Jesus loves you. God bless you. Bye.
So high, high, in the cool of the night, in my darkest hour, when no one's